Hi, I'm Heidi Lee. I'm the CEO of Beyond Zero Emissions, and today we're out here in Glenrowan West visiting a solar and sheep farm with Gail Lee.
The Lees have actually been farming this land or in this area for 150 years. In 2018 we were approached about having a solar farm, and in 2020 it was built. It's owned by a German company and it's managed by Gentari from Malaysia.
And so what are the stats that tell you you're having a good day on the farm?
Peak capacity, the output's 110 megawatts. There's 373,000 panels, 3,500 sheep, and I think the fact that we're combining both agriculture and solar means that it's a very productive piece of ground.
So we're here in Glenrowan. What makes Glenrowan a good place for running sheep as well as solar?
It's really because of Glenrowan Terminal Station. This is on the line from the Snowy River Stream through the major population points in Victoria, Shepparton, Bendigo, Ballarat, down to Geelong. And so this makes it a good site. There's now the 4th solar farm that's being built in the area.
Overall, what's this been like for you?
For a start, it was a bit stressful in terms of coming into the district. There was a little bit of negativity, etc. But in general, it's been a great experience. It's given us an ability to do a lot of things we probably wouldn't have been able to do with just farming. And we really enjoyed the experience and continue to enjoy.